So I found a 6400 John Deere, basically scrap, and deserves new life. Morning guys, proud to say I finished her. There she is. Let's have a look. It's been 8 months, more or less, give or take, and this is what it looks like. Blood, sweat and tears, but she's rebuilt. She's got a new life. I reckon she's good for another at least 8,000 hours. All that's left now is to get it work hardened, give it a bit of, well, up the ante. Just start off with something light, check for oil leaks and seepage or whatever the case might be, and then amp it up slowly, give it more and more to do until we're sure that everything's 100% reliable. But yeah, we're 95% there. Mix in a bit of new with the old. That's actually off a 6930 premium cab, the work lights. That's it. So all the final little bits and pieces have been added. There you go, brand new tires, could only find 4 weights, so we'll add a little bit more later. Lights are set. All the lights are functioning. Very relieved to say that the wiring harness didn't do bad. We eventually got it 100% working order. Oh, in hindsight, worst part about the whole rebuild was fixing the wiring harness. The rest are all easy. You can see the problems. The wiring is much more difficult than that. You can't see what's wrong. You have to figure it out little by little. Right down to the stickers. Got a new seat there. As I explained in the previous movies, videos or whatever, it was a bit of a pain in the cunning link balls, but getting all the spacing and everything sorted out. The neutral was actually the most difficult, the neutral and park, to get that all set up, get the play out of the cables and whatnot. Had the whole HEV control unit rebuilt. It's the only spot you can see that it's been rebuilt is down there, but for the rest, stripped it down, resprayed it, added a new 4-wheel drive switch and this little yellow cap on the PTO switch. As for the rest, all remanufactured. It's got a new life now. 1.7 hours on the clock. Everything there is functional. Right down to the working lights. All the working lights are in order. Different brights are working. Even gone as far as having the park lever and switch connected. That's it. There's a dim and bright switch down there. And waiting for this little knee buster plastic down here. Right, let's take her for a drive. She goes. Forward, first gear, select B there. Bonnet came up nice and shiny. The power shift is the main reason I decided to rebuild this tractor. They're as scarce as chicken teeth. South Afrikaans say. And this is going to be forward reverse without a clutch. That's another big reason we did this. When you're planting, there's a lot of strain on your clutches. So this makes planting much easier. The clutch lasts forever because it's wet and hydraulic. It's constantly running in hydraulic fluid. That's it, yeah. Doesn't seem like much, but if you follow the movies from right at the start, you'll actually appreciate it. There you go. That's 6400, 6410, 6400, 6410 hybrid. There you go. All done.